Reporting to you live from the roof. What's that? Oh, it's just you.
Gotta go alone, gotta go alone. It is Shawn and Ash here. We are converting a school bus into our new home.
Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome back to Shawn and Ash. Yesterday, we spent the whole day with our welder, finally getting that frame for the rooftop deck up on top of the bus. So what are we doing today?
We're gonna go look at what we're gonna have as decking.
Depends on how much it costs, so we're just getting an idea of everything today. So as far as roof decks go on a school bus, most people either like build some sort of platform to put their solar panels on top of. You definitely can DIY it with like some 4x4s, you know, and self-tapping screws, but just screw into your roof, because the more holes that you put in your roof, it's just like, you don't want holes in your roof.
It's gonna be leaking.
If this is something that you're looking to do for your conversion, it's pretty simple. Either if you can weld or if you have a welder available. I think in the long term, it'll be a lot safer.
Yes.
Are you popping a pimple?
It's an arm.
We're talking to the people and you're popping a zit.
This is gonna dry in like 2 seconds.
It's already dry over there, bro. Don't take long at all.
Don't breathe it in, baby.
Good job!
Good job, Happy. Nice jacket, Happy.
Explain like how it's gonna happen.
This is gonna basically, there's gonna be brackets on here, and then there's gonna be angle that cuts. Gonna weld it right on there.
Okay. Oh, you're coming through. You made it. Yeah.
Come back out. Now get your speed on your drill going real good, and you just kind of in and out. No, just go in and out.
You want to grab one of those long bolts? I just want to make sure it's the right size.
Oh man, that brings in so much light up there.
Yeah, that's like a truck topper.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's how it's going to be right there.
Nice.
Ow, ow! I'm just kidding. Keep going. Oh, she's in there like swimwear, baby. It's literally in the perfect spot. Yeah, it's perfect.
Alright guys, we'll show you what we look at in Lowe's. Always a detour with you.
We do need to get some of this stuff. We do need to get it now.
This is horrible.
I don't like the gray.
Just kidding.
I like that.
This is cedar. We were thinking about using a decking, like that pre-made composite stuff instead, but this is lighter, it's cheaper. We would just have to stain it like with an outdoor seal. So we're gonna go look at some stains and see what that costs. Do a little math.
On the top of this should be level, but this one you're gonna have to level. I'll get you a couple of things.
Building never stops, huh?
The building never stops. This is just fun. It's fun for me.
That's great, baby.
Oh my god, that thing's quick. That thing's got wheels.
Surprise guest. This is our newest tortoise of the yard, who I've named Charlie. He looks like he's getting tired. He's like sprinting and then he just drops to the ground. So I hope he's good. If he eats my vegetables though, things will get ugly. You hear? There used to be a Winston too, but he's in a better place. No, I don't really know. Usually I almost asked my mom if I could have one. And then I remembered I was 22.
Watch your ears, B. Wood. You want something like...
So guys, we ended up going with a pressure treated decking wood. It was just the cheapest option. It'll last the longest. We're gonna need to wait probably a few months or so before we can stain it anything, but right now Sean's just going up to put a cross beam, and then we're gonna nail down like half of our deck. We'll do the other half tomorrow.
Nah.
All right, so this beam right here is gonna be going across this ways just to help support when we put these pieces down. Oh, there he goes again.
I have good news and I have bad news.
What's the bad news first?
Should have just got a 2x4. Good news is we're only gonna need one piece of support.
We used this special tool to gauge the actual curve of the bus, and then we were able to give that to our welder so that he could make all these copies.
It's gonna be 61.
That's what the wood will be like.
61, remember 61.
We should be okay. Nice. All right. Can we put some pieces up there?
Yeah, we can.
Dope. Nice.
Okay.
First piece down. And then I can come up here and help you.
So I do need a few things.
So eventually we'll fill this gap on the back. We'll take like a 2x6 and just mill it so that you can't see any of it. Did you just fall? This is very exciting. We're gonna have this done by tomorrow. This whole thing is gonna be finished. Have you ever been on a school bus rooftop party deck?
I've never even seen one.
This is your first.
Okie dokie.
Woo!
Oh, what are you doing up there, B?
Give me a little shake. Oh, okay.
Basically, we wanted a little bit shorter of a screw because these just seem huge. These are like 2 3/4.
Yeah,
we don't need this.
They're pretty
But
big.
you know what? I'm trying to overkill everything with this bus just so like we don't die. So let's just
It's looking very
like deckish. Wait. Is it? We ordered our solar inlet, which is gonna go most likely right here. So this one I'm not gonna screw down. I just have it down here for now. But
So this will be where the little
yeah,
gland is that are
the gland, exactly.
the wires from our solar panels will go
And then
into
I
the
ordered-
garage.
Right, and then I ordered the cables that go into the back of the panels that have 10 gauge wire that run off that go through the gland, and then we connect those into our solar charge controller.
I meant your inverter came in.
Oh, and the inverter came in. Everything, we have everything to do it other than the wires and stuff, which I just ordered today, so.
So by next weekend, solar panels are going up here, right, baby?
Yeah. I would not have been able to do this without Kevin. So shout out to Metal Warriors Welding. This is a plug. Kevin is the man. If you live in Western Florida, Southwest Florida, you need a welder and you have a bus or anything, or any of your welding needs, call Kevin.
I mean, like, let's do it and go home.
Let's do it.
Right?
Go home.
Okay.
Actually gnarly.
Yeah. I still don't like it up here. What is that? Okay, it's looking really good. Guys, this is the whole thing. Here's our skylight. It looks so nice. Really, really great.
It really is great.
We're pretty sure that like one panel's gonna go here all the way to there. His favorite move.
You're not sweating. Doesn't it?
Calm down, dog. You're such a cat.
Alright. Stop. That's not funny.
Leave it deck.
He's already screwed these in. He'll probably put a second on each one, even though we probably don't need one. It just looks, I don't know, it like looks so much better than I thought it would. It's exactly what we wanted. So we were saying that
Get hooks.
this strip right here, if we ever wanted to buy a kayak or a paddleboard, like a surfboard or something, if we ever learned how to surf.
Well, let's finish up.
I don't know all of what we'll get done next week. Yeah.
Subscribe and
subscribe so that you can see us do that all. This is so exciting.
You do smell good.
Thanks. Woo!
I mean, what?